Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I will show you how to fix cannot change the desktop background in Windows 10 or 11 PC. So I will show you 3 or 4 steps, so watch the whole video carefully. At first, the basic problem is whenever your Windows 10 is not activated, then you are not able to get or change the background. So here I will show you when you are right click on your background, and you will get this message like you need to active Windows before you can personalize your PC. So you must active your Windows PC before you are going to change your background. This is the first and the basic mode. Okay, so if your Windows active and still you are getting this problem, then the second method is just go to the control panel. Here click on the optimize user display, then scroll down, and here you can see a remove background image where available. So it must be unchecked, but if it is checking, then you have to uncheck it, then click on apply and OK. So those are the second method, and after that if you are still facing this problem, then the third method is just go to search box and type here group policy. After that, on the suggestion, open the group policy, then click on administer to templates, and then expand the option control panel. Now click on personalization. Here you will get some option. Now double click on prevent changing the desktop background, and simply check it on disable. Now click on apply and OK. After that, just restart your Windows and check that if it's work or not. But in case if it is still not working, then we have to another method. So the next method is just to open the right command, just pressing Windows and R key together. So once the command window is open up, now here type here percentage app data and again percentage. Once it is typed, now click on OK. After that, click on Microsoft. Now once the Microsoft is open, here find the Windows. Now open the Windows and then find theme. So once theme option is find, just open it. So here you can see transcoded wallpaper. You have to rename it. For that, just right click on it and click on rename. Now here you just add the dot old. After that, close it and restart your PC again and try to change your background. So I have showed the 4 method. Hopefully one of them will work for you. So let me know in the comment section which option is work for you. If this video help for you, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button. And if you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.